Garcia, one of the sports and knee surgeons here. Today we're going to show an interesting video testimonial. This is a patient with a pretty severe lateral meniscus tear, but also 14 years old, so quite young at the time and extremely active. He also had a partial tear of his ACL. And the problem was he was having instability of his ACL, but not a complete tear, in addition to this meniscus tear. And if the meniscus is fixed, but the ACL is still partially unstable, this can be an issue. So we talked about some newer technology, which is where we can repair this partial tear of the ACL. It does really no harm to the ACL itself and increases the stability. In addition, we can fix the meniscus, and this protects the meniscus. So this is a little bit more of an unusual case, but he's 5 months out, he's back to everything, he's doing very well, his ACL is perfectly intact, and his meniscus is healed. So enjoy the video testimonial. Thanks.
I was injured. My first thought, I tore my ACL, and I was pretty scared. I didn't want to miss a whole year of sports and everything active, so I was a little nervous. Yeah.
And then tell us about how your knee felt after the injury.
My knee, I could barely walk after it happened. I had a limp a lot. I wore like a sleeve over my knee just to lower the pain a little bit, but yeah, it was pretty uncomfortable. My recovery went by pretty fast, honestly. At first I thought it'd be 6 pretty boring months, but when I did physical therapy and stuff, they went by fast, and that's all you can do, so yeah.
Cool.
Now I feel like it didn't even happen. It was a great recovery and there's no pain. When I'm on the field, I feel great and healthy and strong.
Are you happy you did this?
I'm very happy.
Yeah, the first time Gavin came in, we got referred by Scott Ruhlman to Dr. Garcia, and we knew that it was relatively serious at that point. We felt pretty confident that with Scott, the recommendation to Dr. Garcia, that we were in the right hands. We went over a few options. It sounded like it was the best approach for Gavin, so we were pretty happy that we were able to get a plan together so quickly. We actually took a vacation to Hawaii, and we came back. We had the surgery and spent the summer rehabbing and doing some PT, and looks like he's in pretty good shape. He's already starting to play football, some baseball, and really happy where he's at right now.